Hi, this is table 4 at Kenwood Trail Middle School facts class. Today we're going to show you how to make apple crisp. Let's get started. First thing we do is we gather around all of our supplies. It's a spatula, pie pan, big bowl, measuring cups, measuring spoons. What's the recipe? So you scoop the apple with the big spoon. Make sure you get all of it. Spread it out evenly. So now you spread the strawberry and blueberry out evenly. We mix the filling up together so it has more flavor. Who wants to stir it? Somebody want to stir it?
You.
In a small bowl, you combine oats, flour, brown sugar, and cinnamon, and you mix well with the wooden spoon. Break it into little pieces and then put it in. Yeah, it's good. You use the pastry blender to get a really crumbly texture and mix in the ingredients. So now we're pouring it in, coating the crumbly mixture and putting it on the pie. And then, there. While you're waiting, it's nice to clean all the dishes. Alright, a whale. Getting ready to serve it up. I'll give you more, okay? The rest is for me. We finally get to eat.
Taking one bite. Really good.
Yeah. And I know how to make apple crisp.